There are a couple ways to get Amazon Prime for free. The first way, actually, you can get a 6-month free trial. So there's a link in the description that will take you to this page, which if you're a student or if you're between 18 and 24 years old, you get this extended free trial, and then Prime is half price after that. And so you get all the same Prime benefits, and one benefit you actually get that's not on the regular Prime is you get 5% cash back also, and that's without having the Prime credit card, so it's just straight on your account. If you're not a student or not between 18 and 24 years old, then there's always the Amazon Prime 30-day free trial, so you can try Prime free for 30 days. But if somebody has Prime in your house, you can actually have 2 adults on the same Amazon Prime, a subscription, not account, but subscription. So you both have your own separate accounts, but you just pay one subscription price. And so, you can get added onto that. So if you're paying double with 2 people in the house, you can actually just add on to this Amazon family, which is Amazon household, and you can get Prime for free through that. You can also have Prime if you're a teenager as well. So you can have, I'm not sure the number, but a few teenagers on the account as well. So one Amazon Prime account can have multiple accounts within the family that all share that Prime membership. And so that's another way you can get it for free. All those links are down in the description down below or the pinned comment. And I think this one is pretty awesome. 6-month free trial if you're 18 to 24 years old or if you are a student. That's how you can get Amazon Prime for free.